Welcome to Meki Study Circle channel. In this video, we shall see how to create the inner race component of the roller bearing. So we'll begin by selecting the front plane and entering into the sketch mode. So let us begin our sketch by creating two concentric circles which are centered about the origin. So this is the two circles. So we shall assign the dimension. So the dimension of the outer circle is 25 mm, the diameter, and next the inner circle shall have a diameter of 17 mm. So with this we just complete the first part of a sketch, that is to create the two concentric circles. We shall exit the sketch and add extruded feature for this. So we'll select the direction as mid plane and assign the thickness of the inner race as 16 mm and click OK. So now the inner race component is created. So basically the inner race component is going to be assembled inside the outer race, and in between this inner race and the outer race we are going to have the rolling elements. So we shall create a taper and a land profile on this outer periphery or the outer diameter of the inner race component so that it will be able to house the rolling elements. So now we shall see how to create that particular race or the track to hold those rolling elements. So we shall select the right plane and enter to the sketch mode. We shall switch over to the wireframe model, and then we shall go for convert entities and select these edges. So do not select the face, so just delete the face if the face is selected. Select the edges and click OK. So just ensure that you're going to select these three edges. So this is how we use the convert entities option. So that is nothing but it will be a part of these profile that we're going to create. So now select the line option and draw this profile. So this is the taper, and this is the even surface, and this is the land. So we shall again select the line option, select for construction and draw two constructions line, that is here at this profile, and again select the line option for construction and draw the axis line as the construction line. So now we shall assign the dimensions for this. So we shall tell that the distance between these two points, the distance is equal to say 3 mm. So the land is having a profile of 3 mm, and then the distance between this point and this point is also equal to 3 mm. So ensure that they're all perfect vertical distances and not the inclined distances. So with this, the profile is ready, but however you can just see that it is still underdefined. So we shall now again select the smart dimension, select this line, this and this line. So assign the dimension. So assign the dimension of 22 mm. Still the profile is underdefined, so go for smart dimension again, select this line and this line and assign the angle to be equal to say 20 degrees. So now this land profile is defined. So now the taper profile we need to define. So select this construction line and this taper line and assign the angle of taper as 1 degrees. So now you can just see that the sketch is completely ready, but however go for the trim entities and just trim this part, not the entire profile. So we just want that profile on the outer periphery of the inner race. So that is why I'm trimming all these lines. So I just want this profile to be used for the feature, that is revolt cut. So now once this part is done, just click OK and exit the sketch, and let us use the revolt cut option. So the profile is selected. So the axis of revolution is this axis, and just click OK. And now the profile is created. So let us just roll back to the solid mode. So now you can just see that this is the taper and this is the land part that is created, and this is the existing part of the inner race. So this is how the inner race component is designed for the roller ball bearing. So we shall just select the fillet option and select the uh, inner bore face and the faces on both the ends of the bore, and assign the fillet value of zero point 0.5 mm, and then just click OK. So now you can just see that the fillet is created on both the faces of the board hole. So this is how the inner race is created. So now let us just go assign the material. So click on edit material and assign the material of AISI 304. Click apply and click close. So now this particular profile is created. So this is the inner race which is going to be assembled inside the outer race, and on this land whatever you get to see, we are going to have the rolling elements assembled. So we'll see how to create the the rolling elements in the next video, and the assembly will be followed by the other videos. So with this we shall end the video, which details about the creation of the inner race component of the roller bearing. Thank you all for watching.